All right, now in this example, we're told that paleontologists use this mathematical model right here to estimate the walking speed, or to model the walking speed of a dinosaur, right here, walking speed of a dinosaur, in feet per second if we're given x, where x is the length of the dinosaur's leg. So I don't know how accurate this is, but this is what we're told to use, so we're going to go with it. Now, they ask us, what is the walking speed of a dinosaur whose leg length is 10 feet? And it says to express the answer in simplified radical form. In other words, don't throw this in the calculator and get some long decimal number. Just leave it as a number times a square root of a number, etc. So, we want the walking speed of this dinosaur that has 10-foot long legs. Yikes. So 2 times 10. Now, you could take two approaches here when you're working with radicals. You could just multiply the numbers. So I'll do that first. 4 times the square root of, well, 2 times 20. 2 times 10 is 20. So I'll put that there. All right, now what goes into 20? Well, what comes to my mind immediately is 4. And then 4 times what? Well, 4 times 5. So now, between these two numbers, 4 and 5, which one has a perfect square root? That's going to be the 4. So the square root of 4 is 2, so anything that I'm able to take outside of the radical comes outside and multiplies by what's out there. And anything that I can't take out, like this 5, it is a prime number and there's no other pairs of it in here, stays in there. So then I would just multiply things together and simplify. So 4 times 2 is 8. Then I've got the square root of 5. So 8 square root of 5 feet per second is the walking speed of this dinosaur. Now, I usually prefer to do square roots a little differently, so if you're interested, I'll do that right now. Instead of multiplying these numbers together, I'll just go ahead and break apart the 10 right away. Well, what goes into 10? 2 and 5. So this is 4 times the square root of 2 times 2 times 5. And really, when I do a square root, I'm looking for pairs of numbers. Why is it that over here we said the square root of 4 is 2? Well, because 2 times 2 is 4. That's my pair. And so one of those comes out. 4 times 2, that's the number I had to square to get 4, times 5. And then once again, 4 times 2 equals 8, square root of 5. And so that would be the walking speed of this dinosaur using this equation. And that is this example.